In this video, we explain what North Carolina Credit Repair Services bonds are and how insurance agents can efficiently obtain them for their customers. A credit repair services bond is a government-required surety bond that protects the public from financial harm if the credit services organization violates the bond's provisions. The limit on the North Carolina Credit Repair Services bond is $10,000. The bond is required for all credit repair services organizations operating in the state and is regulated by the North Carolina Secretary of State. There is no statewide licensing requirement for credit repair services organizations in North Carolina. However, credit servicers do need to file their bond with the Secretary of State prior to conducting business. The bond costs between $100 to $500 per year and is determined based on factors such as the applicant's credit score and years of experience. To avoid claims made against their bond, credit repair services organizations must ensure that they do not engage in any acts of fraud or misrepresentation and that they don't ask for advance payments from consumers. Bond exchange makes obtaining surety bonds easy. Insurance agents need to simply log into their account and search our database to find their bond. Don't have a login? Then enroll now by going to bondexchange.com and clicking on that big blue Get a Login button and let us help you satisfy your customers' needs.